Here is a Hyundai Sonata. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. This feature is only on the rear doors, not on the front doors. For now, let's get started with the left side door. Open the door and right over there is a slot where we have to put a key. Your house key, car key, or the physical key from your key fob, any of that will work. Just put the key in there and follow the arrow. Twist it left to activate the feature, and that's about it. Even while the feature is activated, I can still open the door from outside. However, I should not be able to open the door from inside. So let's try this out now. Lock cannot open, unlock cannot open. No matter what I do, I cannot open the door from inside now. So what I'm going to do for now is just go over to the right side and open up the door from here, and then open up the left side door from outside. Let's put the key back in and twist it right to deactivate the feature, and that's it. Now I should be able to open the door from inside, and yes, I can. Good. Repeating the process for the right side door, same location for the slot. However, this time you have to twist it right to activate the feature. Just follow the arrow there. If the feature is now activated, I should not be able to open the door from inside. But guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to slide over there and open up the left side door from inside. So if you have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors, because you don't want them to accidentally get out of the car seat and open the door. For now, let's just go here and open this door. Open the right side door from outside and deactivate the feature by twisting the key left. And that's about it. Now I should be able to open from inside. And yes, I can. Hope you found the video useful.